On February 12, 2025, a U.S. Border Patrol-involved shooting occurred in Brownsville, Texas. U.S. Customs and Border Protection is committed to transparency and accountability, and is releasing body-worn camera footage related to this incident in accordance with CBP policy. CBP began deploying body-worn cameras in 2021 and continues to expand their use nationwide. These cameras are worn at chest level and provide a general perspective of events. Due to camera angle and limitations, they may not capture everything in agent experiences. Once activated, cameras record both audio and video, and include a 2-minute silent buffer designed to capture sudden incidents. On the evening of February 12, Border Patrol agents assigned to the Fort Brown Station Flex team were conducting ground surveillance to deter smuggling activity near the Rio Grande River, approximately 17 miles east of the Veterans Bridge port of entry. Agents received a call from SpaceX Security reporting suspicious activity near a boat ramp off Highway 4. At approximately 6:40 p.m., agents encountered a GMC Denali pickup truck occupied by multiple individuals. Agents believed the group was attempting to smuggle firearms into Mexico. During the encounter, a rear passenger exited the vehicle brandishing a rifle. An agent discharged his CBP-issued M4 rifle. CBP's National Use of Force Review Board will also review the incident upon completion of the investigation.
Hey, steer to your left, steer to your left. Hey. Did you get the bags? Hey, voices. There's at least another body. ¿Ya sí o no? Hey, pendejo. Show me your fucking hands. No te muevas, cabrón. Put your hands right here. Show me your fucking hands. No, se le cabeza, pendejo. On the ground. Hey, the boat. The boat. Yeah, don't worry about the boat. Did you get the bag? Hey, cover me. Come to this guy. Shot fired. 1 second. Hit in the stomach. Abdomen wound. I got it. Hey, fire. 1 subject hit in the stomach. Abdomen wound. Hey, what? Reload the firearm. Asuelo! Give me units, reds and blues, right to the boat ramp. Copy? Hey, go through.
Oh, this is the road is spraying.
Huh?
This is the road spraying.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm passing out.
Hey, he's shot.
Yeah.
Hey, provide aid. Get security, provide aid. I gotta get her in cuffs. Cover. Hey, get him out. Hey, cover them. I'm gonna go ahead with sweep the rest of the wheel.
Fuerte. Arrodíllate más. Fuerte. Así todo.
Everybody handcuff this thing too. Hey, I heard the boat.
Cógete aquí.
Hey, get on the radio. He's got an abdomen gunshot coming out of his. You already did.
Acuéstate. Toma. De panza. ¿No tienes pistolas tú? ¿Seguro? ¿Y qué traes?
Hey, I need a light. No se mueva.
You 13? We're gonna need a few more units down here. For backup.
He came out with a gun, right? Yeah, he pulled out a firearm. Hey, no se mueva. No se mueva. Keep him on this side. It's his. We'll move the firearm. I got the fireman in my truck.
Hey, you hot? I'm hot.
Yeah, I'm hot. What else is there? What else is in here? Have you checked inside?
No. We just got the driver out. It should just be him.
No aguanto mi panza, oiga. Espérame.
Ahorita ya viene la ambulancia para acá.
Estoy bien.
Espérame. EMS está en camino, ¿ok? No traigo otra armas.
¿Ustedes dos tienen armas? ¿Ustedes?
No se mueva.
Déjame acomodarme.
Yeah, 10-4, we're secure. Hey, give me a kit. We don't got it.
Ahí, quédate acostado.
Give me a kit.
No me aplanes, oiga.
EMS has been notified.
Me chingaron, güey.
Aguanta, no te muevas.
No te muevas, ¿ok? No te muevas.
Entonces,
EMS está en camino, ¿ok?
The bus is going east.
No te muevas. Okay. He's through the belly button and out his upper buttock.
found was just that one weapon?
Yeah, the other ones took off running, dude.
With the bags?
Hey,
No.
guys, Papa 180. I'm
Did they
13.
take bags?
Can I get a condition on the subject?
Quiero miar.
Subject is conscious,
Quiero
breathing.
miar.
It's going to be a lower abdomen gunshot wound.
Quiero miar. Déjame miar.
Hey, agents on scene with that gunshot wound. If you could just start applying pressure, and if you can have your ice pack with you. I think that wound. If he's got an exit wound, just with one of those huge gauzes on the back. See if you can stop
No
it.
la planes, güey. No la
Hey,
planes.
get your alley lights over here.
Hey, get your alley lights right here, bro.
He's talking pretty calm and everything.
Somebody hold the light for me, please.
I got-
You guys take these guys down?
Yes, we could.
No te muevas, no te muevas. No te muevas.
Get that shirt off. Who's got trauma shoes? Give me your trauma shoes. Here's the Bible.
Está bien, está bien, está bien.
You're okay, you're okay, you're okay.
896, Papa 25.
Hey, did they take the other bags back?
Dude, I only saw him grab that one, and I grabbed the driver. And
Where's the bags and shit? No bags?
I didn't have visual of the bag.
Agent's 19, our comms aren't fucking working. Tranquilo, tranquilo. Okay, you're all right. You're all right.
Give me your rag. You got a rag? That's back there, bro.
You get pressure on this exit wound. Yeah, give me another rag to get pressure on the exit wound. Let's go. Pull security. Give me another rag. Keep his head up. Keep his head up. Who's got a? No, sorry, buddy. Give me another mag. Give me your fucking baklava or some shit, bro. I need something to get pressure on his butt. He's bleeding on his butt right here.
Is there more?
Bodies.
The bodies went south.
Hold security on the river. Somebody keep security on these two. Driver. That's his driver.
This driver right here. I mean.
We patted him down or what?
Yeah, I pat him down. I pat him down.
Hey, give me somebody who's not pulling security to get pressure on his exit wound. You got it. You got it. You got it. Cover the front.
Where's the
The
weapon?
weapon's secured. The weapon's secured.
Make sure you get a photo of that shit.
Yeah.
We'll get photos in a second. Make sure EMS is en route.
Yeah, EMS is en route. You're right. You're right.
Yeah, everybody just calm down a little bit. We got the scene secure. You got security. We're good. No me aplanes, güey. Okay, está bueno.
Te están ayudando con aplanándote. Nomás cálmate, cálmate.
I know.
He's right on your guys' ass.
I know.
Hey, you're good. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
No me aplanes. Okay.
Phil, you got the rest of the shears?
Any shears? I got
You see the bodies?
I saw them on the cross. It came out this way.
Yo!
Nah, what do you need?
Camera's rolling.
Páreme, güey. Páreme. Páreme. Ahorita va a llegar. Páreme, güey. Necesito miar.
Last update on the subject. He's still conscious, he knows his name, everything.
What does that
Tienes que moverme, güey.
No.
No voy a correr, no puedo, tengo la pata quebrada.
Yeah, we gotta go. If you need to be comforted.
You don't want to. You want to keep him on that side, dude.